Hello my viewer, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to create a short video concerning a Maxbounty account. I lost my Maxbounty account 6 months ago, and I'm creating this video to motivate other affiliates who have asked me this question whether Maxbounty is accepting new affiliates. Well, I want to assure you that I applied for almost a couple of times until they approved this account. Now I want us to get in my account and see. I'm going to hide my emails so that you may not see. And this is my new dashboard. As you can see, Maxbounty account. Let me reload it so that you can see this is real. I can also refresh here at the top. Wow, and I just got approved a few hours ago, and I feel so much happy since I used to earn with this account until I lost it last year. So I wanted to create this video to motivate those people who have tried to apply Maxbounty account until they got tired. I just want to tell you that you should not get tired. Continue applying until they approve you. So since I lost my account 6 months ago, I found new offers that they have emerged that I'm not yet conversant with them. So I just want to familiarize myself with them until I know which type of offer or which offer I'm going to promote, that so that it can give me a good amount of money. Be updated on my next coming video by subscribing my channel